kids. So pag-gising nyo kids, magbe-breakfast na tayo, okay? Let's go eat breakfast and after that we're gonna prepare for snorkeling.
I'm not gonna go to snorkeling.
Why?
Everybody goes. You came here and we all...
So kasama ka, you asked mommy to buy you your snorkeling gear tapos you're not going? Yeah, let's go kids! Happy morning! Oy, that's early in the morning! What are you looking there kids? Happy morning! Guys, yan yung bahay ng Tuscany nandyan. Wala, tulog pa yan. May painom-inom pa ng wine na nalalaman kagabi. Daming alam. Yan, tara mo, tulog! Tulog! Ito yung morning view guys. Actually, mas maganda yung ambient sa gabi. In the night time when they put all the LEDs, very, very nice. Right now in the morning, it's just like another house. But it's still nice. We love the ocean. Kids! Good morning, kids! Nagmamadali pero late yung isa dyan, no? Nakaupo lang ng buggy. Let's go! Kids, we just passed by Ape Villa, kids. Kids, we're just passing by Beach 1. This is Beach 1 here, kids.
Good morning. Go ahead.
Morning! Kids, we just passed by the gym! Kids, we haven't been to the gym! Kids, we're back at Island Garden. I think Ape is there na, kids. Guys, happy morning breakfast, kids. We're gonna try the corned beef and rice. Our favorite breakfast. Walang kamatayang corned beef and rice. The corned beef is very chunky. Very good. Like a Pure Foods. Guys, try natin yung kape. Kulit. Very good, very good. Yun o, gatas o. Dami yan, Twig. Yan, Twig. Good na. Daming gatas dyan, ha. KG, ah. Last round, fruits. Katabi ko, wow, papaya yati. Tamis ng papaya. Berry. And let's try the, this is the winter dew, melon dew. Okay lang. How's your breakfast morning, Lloydie? How's your breakfast morning, Lloyd? Ha? Busog ka na ba talaga?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. Are you busog, Mosh? Are you sure? Let me check that tummy of yours. Fake ka ata. You fake. Hindi ka ata busog. Sure ka ba? How's your breakfast morning, man?
Good. And Daddy, can we baon some bread for dinner
Yeah, just
and
bring...
for for the fishes?
Yeah, you go buy on some bread para you can feed the fish. We can go fish feeding later.
They have a plastic.
Look for one. I don't know where to get the plastic.
Oh, in the hotel, the shower cap.
Did you bring it?
No. Can I get the bread later? Where are we gonna eat for lunch?
I don't know. Guys, Ape is gonna show us where he collected all those nice seashells. Let's go! Kids, andito na yung pool area Shortcut pala Kids Kids, nasa tabi ng Christmas tree yung mga seashells. This one
Before we go up for the pool, you see this wall? Right after this wall, dyan lahat puro seashell.
Ooh.
Water Yesterday, this was until
Kids, we found a shell.
I'm collecting these tiny shell So, find ka dami yan. Yung Nautilus ang mahirap, hinahanap ko yung malaki. Oh, ito. You see this?
What? Bring it home, Mans! Bring it home! Bring it home! Yeah, bring it
This is
home.
mine. I want this speck. Ako naka-find yan Ito, ang dami here.
Mans, bilisan mo bago kunin ni Ape. Go! Akin na yan, Mans. Ako na maghawak. Or you can focus. Ako, I cannot na.
See? Ay, sorry, sinay ko na yung water. Yan, dito dami Everything, shells there. Treasure.
Go, Mans. Go!
Dami, no?
Nakakita ka na?
Siyempre, daming shell dyan
They're foggy.
Don't move the water.
Woo! Kunin mo na yan, Mans. Kung okay, tago mo na yan. Bilisan mo. Dad's burning. I can feel the burn. Let's go, kids. We're gonna go to the island hopping. Sa DC pa tayo. Ha? Eh,
Mali ang sinabi nila
yeah, gun susi gun wakaw lo Let's go.
Tala ba?
Dive shop na diretso.
Hindi beach to?
Sa dive shop nga.
A few minutes later.
Guys, upgraded na yung dive shop nila. Ito na yung dive shop nila So, this whole area is the dive shop. So, basically, nilipat nila. The old dive shop was on the other side. It was the bike shop now. May fishing rods pa sila dito. That's the new dive shop Ang laki. It's triple the size. Dati liit-liit lang. Ngayon malaki na. Kids, our next destination is the bike shop. We will be borrowing some snorkeling mask there, and then we will proceed to beach 2 for the snorkeling, our guided snorkeling. Guys, ito na yung lumang dive shop. Dito kami dati madalas, we were here. So ngayon, bike shop na. Guys, hihiram lang tayo ng snorkeling mask, and then after that, we will proceed to beach 1 and 2. Guys, we're here! We're gonna go snorkeling!
A few minutes later.
Mag-snorkeling na tayo, mag-aantay lang. Then we're gonna go swimming there. That's Luno. That's where we went yesterday night to check yung mga swordfish. So, let's go guys! Nandito na. The group is here. We will be transferring to our GoPro para fresh battery, endurance bat. Guys, thank you for Lazada 11/11 sale. Boom! Parang maliit to, Mams. Mams? Parang one use lang to.
Wala ka bang tiwala sa akin?
We saw the starfish. We're gonna do a 360 with the starfish. Dun, 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 dun. Starfish. Guys, starfish 360. Ito na. Ganda Starfish 360! Woohoo! Okay guys, hilo na ako. Hilo na. Balik ka na boy. Balik ka na. Ooh! Guys, pag bumaba siya, flat na flat oh. Ganun na ganun, hindi siya tumataob. Galing! Guys, this is green turtle. Guys, this is pink turtle. This is black rider mask.
Ang laki nito eh.
Arr. Arr, arr, arr. Guys, this is a yellow turtle. This is yellow turtle.
I'm ugly.
Yellow turtle deer. Oh, I can't. Why am I talking like that? Guys, that's yellow turtle.
Leave me be.
I'm talking like. Guys, benta pa tayo dito sa joke nito. Pag tumanda to, hindi na to benta. For safety, let's wear our life vests. Dito tayo sa medium guys, sa medium. Uy. Ito na guys, let's wear a life vest. Ito na. We're safe, let's go!
Ipis
Ako rin, free yung leg ko ma'am.
Tumatagos ba yung yung sunblock kapag may tubig pa?
We need to put sunblock.
Talaga.
Don't panic ha. Relax.
We're gonna be switching to this one, to the GoPro. Let's go! Kasi ito, may floating device. Hindi mo wala. Guys, ito na guys. Magda-dive na tayo. Let's go! This is the gang. Let's go! Let's go! Hello! We're live now, guys! We're live! Taba, halika dito, taba. Halika dito. Sabi isla. Guys, nagpa-fog na yung ako, nagpa-fog na. Nagpa-fog na guys! Nagpa-fog! Oh! Tira itong tatay ko ah! Guys, tinulang ko na tatay ko. Pause recording. Pause. Walang makita, sayang battery. Ito na guys. Ito na. Liwan na tayo ng kasama natin. Pagod na ako guys. Pagod na ako. Ha? Yung isang kasama ko nandun, oh, yun oh. Yan yung ayaw mag life vest. Yan oh, yung matigas ulo. Pina-life vest na namin guys for safety purposes. Ayan oh, yan oh. Yun oh. Maganda kasi yung mask niya guys. Mahal, atin Shopee lang. Hoy, halika dito. Ah! Ah. Guys, buti na lang may isda tayo kasama. Let's go fish. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, yeah. Let's go. Let's go fish.
Nakalimutan natin yung tinapay. May dala akong tinapay, nakalimutan.
What?
Yung tinapay, nakalimutan.
Where did you put the tinapay?
It's in the bag. Nakalimutan ko yung tinapay.
What bag?
The blue one.
What for? What's
The fish, so we said the fish will come.
Guys, we're gonna go back na. Babalik na kami. We're gonna go to beach 1 next. I think these are basically the coral and we just had that last view kanina na ano kami, the kuya help us shoot up going up para kita tayo. That's it. Okay, we're gonna swim back.
Your leg. Pull. Pull, nasa likod na ako. Aaron, go. Thank you. Nahila na kasi ako, naiiwan na ako. Thank you, Aaron, thank you. Naiiwan na kasi ako. Naiiwan na ako. Thank you, Aaron. Naiiwan na ako. Si Ella, sino pa? Ayun ka pa ni Aaron. Ay, ano pala ni Ella? Si Ella hindi. Kasi kasi ang hirap kasi mag-video, ay only have one hand. So pag nag-swim ako, 75% lang yung akin, 75%. So I need to hold. Kailangan kong mahawak sa inyo. Okay? Kailangan ko na pull lang konti Pull lang. Ay, sorry. I did? Okay guys, that's it. That's the end of the tour.
Pagod ako sa kakahila.
Ako rin eh.
Pagod. You're pulling the daddy. Really push.
Buti na lang mais na tayo.
Mas malakas pa yung splash mo, Basili eh. Anak ng kamote. Mas malakas pa yung splash kaysa sa bilis eh. Woo!
Okay guys, we're gonna go to beach 1 next. Okay, ito na. Yung isa kayo, may pa-diving mask pa oh. May pa-diving mask pa. Ito, mas mabilis lumangoy ito. Mas efficient, go. Aray. Sipa ko pa ako. Let's go. Dito na, nasa tabi na ako. Naglalakad na ako. Tara.
Pwede na ba? Hindi pa ako makaapak. Buti na lang malakas ka niya. Buti na lang malakas ka. Paul, kami, Paul. Paul. Hilahin ba ka na? Ah, napagod ako, grabe. Pwede na umapak? Guys, we're gonna go to beach 1 next. Doon marami namang isda. Actually, we don't need the life vest kasi it's very close there lang. Yun. Oh guys, we're gonna go see na. Kakanda na kami. We're going dito sa area na where the fish is feeding. They're here in the first part. We're gonna be going here. Tapos we're gonna video. We're gonna feed the fish underwater, guys. Underwater. Okay, siguro. Give me a fish, Jelly. Yes.
Hawakan niyo po.
Sige. Thank you.
Steady, GoPro.
Okay, thank you. Guys,
Yan.
ito na. May tinapay na ako dito, guys. Guys, na-realize ko matanda na ako, guys. Hindi ko na kaya. Matanda na ako. Partida. Ano pa ako, 2 times a day nagja-jogging. 2 times a week. Di ko na kaya sumisid. Matanda na pala ako.
Yung mga clam,
Pagod na ako kanina.
yan yung madami.
Ha? Yan. Yan yun ya. Nakatingin sa akin. Guys, pagod na ako. Hindi naman pink yan eh. Pumasok yung tubig sa snorkels ko. Hassle ka.
Di ba tingin ang tingin?
Oo, nakatingin sa akin eh.
Tutukain ka bigla.
Nakatingin sa akin.
Diyan ako takot sa lintik na yan. Diyan phobia pa ako.
Ha?
Pang naitsura, di ba?
Oo, nakatingin sa'yo.
Guys, we're done. Pabalik na kami. Tapos na, medyo napagod. Ang hirap pala sumisid. You need to have strong lungs. Ha? Strong lungs. Guys, tapos na kami mag-snorkeling. May magcha-challenge daw sa akin mag-pool, mag-billiard. Let's do this. Oh. Guys, ito na. May magcha-challenge daw sa akin ng pool. Wala nang tisa-tisa. So, kuway pa. Nakahulog doon yung table. Guys, videoan natin. Puro yabang to eh. Tinan mo nga. Ano natin to?
Yabang daw to, pasok na oh. Game na.
Kita paano ah. Ganun.
Two.
Wala pang tisa yan.
3. Yeah! It's all a matter of the 9 balls. Tira lang, ubusin mo lahat yan, please.
Lakas tira, lakas chamba. Ganun. Sa limit kasi natin yan, nag-ano, nakabalik lang na.
Ano ba yan? Pasok na eh!
Guys, ito na. Lalapit natin.
Pasok lumalabas. Ang kulit eh.
Guys, ito na. Papakita na natin. Paano natin tapusin. Tapos ang boxing. Ayun, oh. Guys, dalawa lang pinasok yung bola. Ako lahat pumasok. Oh, yan. Talo ligpit. Talo ligpit. Go, go, go. Kaming alam nito. Oh. shot. Oh, galing naman yan. Ang galing naman yan, guys. Buti mo na, para manalo ka naman lang. Talo pa siya! Wala man lang ako ginawa! Woo! Guys, pinagbigyan na nga. Pero sinot pa yung white ball. 2-0 tuloy. Nako naman to. Patsa, may billiard table pa yan guys sa bahay. Partida yan partida. Ayos bola, ayos bola. Ayos bola, ayos bola. Oh, 2. Guys, trick shot daw, trick shot. Isang kamay lang. Oh, ang klase to, ang galing, daming alam, pero 2-0. Guys, dahil puro miss yung shot ng kalaban natin, mag-orange juice muna tayo. Boss, tira ka lang ha. Para ubusin mo na yung bola, akan yung 9 bola. Oh, tila oh.
Sprite.
Steven Basili versus dalawang bata. Siyempre panalo tong magulang. Magulang nga to, magulang. Literally. Magulang, oo. Paano siya hindi mananalo niyan? Kaya yan. Hit yung nose mo, don't get too near.
Go.
Ayun ang tinatama.
Ano yun, guys?
Oh, bad shot, oh. Get the ball.
Bad shot, bad shot. Miner, Manoys.
Oh my God. I missed that in. Bad in, my bad.
Gonna hit for you, relax, ayan.
Tabingi. Ano yun?
When you hit, don't move. Wait, tabingi eh. Yan, oh. Guide kita, ha? Ay, nako, dinadaya ka ng daddy mo.
Yan, mas madali yan, mas madali yan, mas madali yan. Oh, go.
Relax. Relax.
Oh!
And don't move. Next.
Guys, ito hindi naman nagbibilyar to eh. Kumakain eh, oh. Kakain ka na naman? Ako gutom na. Boss, ready, go! Uy, muntikan pa yun, oh. Oy! Pasok yung 1 ball! Pasok yung 1 ball! Go, Betty, your turn, Bets. Go!
Pulusin.
Go, pumasok yung 1 ball. Ang galing naman yan, oh.
Tama, hindi pwede eat, ha?
Go!
Kita mo mga kamay mo, ito ay tulus eh. Oh, huwag mo gagalaw itong hand mo. After yan, don't move it.
That's bad shot.
Go, hit it. Oh! Wala na.
Yippee!
Go, kaya mo yan ha. Shoot. Oh, ganda naman nun no. Umiikot pa. Guys, may pizza pala. Ayaw ka na magbilyar. Pizza na tayo.
There's extra orange juice ba na?
Okay na, it's too sweet. I'm gonna be fat. Tatlaka na nga ng tiyan.
But there's a shell.
Guys, try natin tong seafood pizza.
You just took the cheese.
Ano ba, Vasily? Hinulag mo yung tissue.
I'm gonna have the extra orange juice if Mom's
My
gonna
bad.
take it.
My bad.
Crap.
Bokasyo.
How's this pizza, Vet?
Oh god, it's so spicy.
It is? Not even spicy.
Walang spicy dyan, Shobe.
How's the pizza, Loy?
And then the whole day.
Mainit pala yung cool water.
Two hands, two hands.
Guys, yung pizza niya, yung shrimp niya, may balat pa.
I still ate it though.
Weird.
It's cheese pizza. It's for cheese. Mas masarap yung cheese niya.
Shrimp is good.
The cheese pizza is their best seller.
No, well, you know why.
But si Chuck isn't like the cheese pizza na eh.
Yung like cheese pizza.
The meat pizza na.
Pizza are cheese are kasi carcinogenic. It's cancerous.
See, do you look at
It's
the
bulok na milk.
Yan ah, yung sa side oh.
I mean, yeah, but in terms of taste, it's better than whatever it is.
The winning shot! Woo! Let's have some pizza party!